By late July, gardens often turn from tidy rows into a wild tangle of green. This lush growth is a sign of success, but it can also mean trouble. Plants crowd each other, competing for light, water, and nutrients. Overcrowding stresses plants, making them vulnerable to pests and diseases, especially in humid summer conditions. Tomato vines sprawl, squash leaves hide fruit, and air circulation drops, inviting fungal problems. Harvesting becomes tricky, and the garden feels chaotic. Now's the time for intervention midsummer pruning. By editing out excess growth, we redirect plant energy into producing bigger, healthier fruits and flowers. Pruning isn't just tidying up, it's a powerful tool for a more productive, resilient garden. With a few strategic cuts, you can transform your summer jungle into a thriving, manageable space. Why prune now? 2 reasons: healthier plants and bigger harvests. Pruning improves airflow, reducing disease risk and helping leaves dry quickly after rain or dew. Removing diseased or crowded growth stops problems from spreading. Plants have limited energy. Pruning tells them to focus on fruit and flower production, not excess leaves. More sunlight reaches ripening fruit, improving flavor and speeding up harvest. A pruned garden is easier to manage and more enjoyable to harvest. No more lost zucchini or hidden berries, just organized, productive beds. Pruning is a simple step with big rewards for both you and your plants. Let's get specific. Start with tomatoes. Remove suckers, the shoots in the V between stem and branch, and any yellowing or diseased leaves at the base. For squash and zucchini, cut away old, damaged leaves near the main stem to open up the plant and prevent disease. This makes it easier to spot and pick your produce before it overripens. Herbs like basil, mint, and oregano thrive with regular pinching. Snip the top few inches above a leaf set to encourage bushiness. Always remove flower buds to keep herbs flavorful and productive. Clean your tools between plants with alcohol or wipes to prevent spreading disease. These small steps keep your garden healthy and your harvests coming. Pruning vegetables and herbs is quick, easy, and pays off all season. Keep your garden tools handy and make pruning part of your weekly routine. Perennials and berry bushes need midsummer attention too. Deadhead faded flowers on coneflowers, bee balm and phlox to encourage more blooms and keep things tidy. Remove any dead, diseased, or crowded stems to boost airflow and prevent fungal issues. For summer raspberries, cut out old fruiting canes at ground level to make room for new growth. This keeps the patch healthy and productive for next year. For blueberries and blackberries, focus on removing dead or damaged branches and any growth-crowding paths. Major pruning waits for winter, but summer cleanup keeps plants strong. The goal: healthy structure, good airflow, and easy access for harvesting. A little mid-season care sets your perennials and berries up for success. Step back and admire your pruned garden. It's neater, healthier, and ready to thrive. The real payoff comes soon: more sunlight, better airflow, and a bigger, tastier harvest. Pruning is more than maintenance. It's a partnership with your plants. Don't fear the cuts. Plants bounce back stronger, and every snip helps them focus on what matters. With clean pruners and a confident hand, you're guiding your garden to its best season yet. Enjoy the satisfaction of working with nature and watch your efforts multiply. Healthier plants, abundant produce, and a garden that brings joy until frost — that's the reward for a little midsummer pruning. Happy gardening!